Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and it's so important to make sure your entryway is as safe as possible. These ROBLOCK rubber stair treads for wooden stairs has really helped me have peace of mind on our narrow entryway. We decided to give our staircase a facelift, and these were the last piece of the puzzle to not only add beauty, but also safety to our steps. They come in a pack of 12. I have 10 steps. I love the tire tread because it's going to give great traction. It is made with such high quality rubber adhesive on the back. It also has nail and screw options. The tread helps where there's water, ice, debris, or you just have a muddy shoe. They are 15 inches long by 4 inches wide. Installation is so easy. Make sure you measure the width of your stair and then center the pad. Take the adhesive protection off. The glue is strong, so be careful as you're placing it. And then I like to press down on it just to make sure it is evenly attached to the stair. And then just repeat all the way down to the very last step to make sure you have that extra safety. And now I have 2 extra. I love if I'm going up the stairs with a lot of things in my hands, I don't have to worry about slipping. I can just make sure I step in the center and be able to easily get in the door. We are always coming and going, so I love not being overly concerned each time we have to go up or down the staircase. Not only did this add so much safety to our stairway leading to our front door, but it also added to the beauty of the facelift that we did. And that's my point of view.